I'm Sandesh Shivakumar. I come from Bangalore, India, and I did my undergrad in computer science engineering. I worked for 3 years in Dell Technologies, and now I'm here doing my master's program in MTM. I was looking to grow my tech career, and I was looking to add some business acumen that MTM would give me, and that's one of the reasons why I chose to take up the MTM course. I think MTM gave me the opportunity to understand business strategy, understand negotiations, sales cycles, digital transformation, which actually painted a holistic picture of exactly how businesses work and make money, and that was very important to understand on top of the technical knowledge I already had. The career services team has actually been like a one-on-one career mentor for me. They have overlooked my career progression all the way from basics like setting up my resume, setting up my LinkedIn profile, all the way till landing my first job right after graduation. Field project is a great opportunity which MTM gives us to collaborate with existing companies in and around Santa Barbara. We worked on this field project with a company called BridgeDoc, which is based out of Santa Barbara, mostly concentrating on construction management, understanding the business value that something like a construction management tool would have to offer to the customers, and at the same time understanding market landscape, the go-to-market strategies, and also the feasibility and risk analysis involved to understand how a company takes its product from development all the way to market launch. I think how MTM differentiates itself is it gives me those skills that one would acquire in over 3 to 4 years of work experience in just a short duration of 9 months time, and that is really important because that's what gives you the additional push once you graduate out of MTM, and then that's how you stand out to the future employers. MTM opens the door for you to land your dream career.